What do you do when your iPhone won't connect to data services, meaning you have no signal? You're traveling abroad and your cell phone won't connect to data services, so Google and Apple Maps won't work. You have tried turning your data network on and off, you have turned your phone on and off, turned on airplane mode, on and off, and still you can't get your iPhone to connect to data. You need this to work in order to find your way around and communicate to friends and family and everything else you do. Here are the steps to get your cell phone connected. Step 1. Be sure your service provider offers services in that country. If they don't, you can be stuck paying large fees. T-Mobile, and they provide a list of 215 countries and territories they provide service to. AT&T and Verizon also offer services in many countries, but be sure to confirm they offer services in the country you're visiting so you're not charged large fees. You also might be provided with a limited amount of data, but you do have the option to purchase a data pass for a day or even a month. I'm using an iPhone. Settings, cellular data, network selection, and turn off automatic. Connect to a network and see if that gets you connected. Give it a few moments to connect to that network. If that network doesn't work, try another one of the listed networks. Still not connected? Find free Wi-Fi and call your provider. I have listed the top 5 providers in the description below. Like and subscribe for more travel tips.